Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. This week we begin descriptive writing. Descriptive writing helps your reader see what you see. We'll start by describing people. What is descriptive writing? Descriptive writing uses details to help readers imagine. The more details you add, the clearer the picture becomes. This is an example story. It is a short description of a friend. Notice it tells about how she looks, what she wears, and how she acts. Let's read the story together. Ready? Let us begin. My friend Anna has curly hair. She always wears red shoes. She laughs loudly when she is happy. I like being around her. Now it's your turn. Write about a friend. Use details about how they look and what makes them special to you. Here's another independent writing prompt. Think about someone in your family. Describe their looks and what they like doing. Use details to make your writing clear. Great job. You learn how to describe people using details. Remember, the more details you use, the stronger your writing becomes. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 40. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to review the lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of the lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can do this lesson with ease. When you can do this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have come to the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning this interactive lesson, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.